Hello everyone, so welcome to Shepherd. On LMS platform you can have a lot of courses that you can select from. So we have several courses that you can select from. So to log into Shepherd, you would have to visit shepherd.com, so the Shepherd with a double D, and once the page is loaded you come to log in, you input your details. You can always sign in by accepting this. Once your details are inputted, when you have a Google account, it's very easier. Okay, so when you log in with Google, you can sign in. Okay, so once you've signed in, you can see my profile is here, and then I can click on web app to launch the web app, or we can go to all courses. So once we go to all courses, you can decide to select the course that you want, whether it's paid or free. Okay, I already have some courses, or I already have a course selected, so all I have to do is if I click on any of the course, okay, it should launch the course. So I can click on my web app, and this is the interface for our web app. So to go to the courses that you've selected, you come here, and then these are the courses that I'm subscribed to. Okay, I've already completed this. I can click on this, and then yeah, if the instructor allows me to retake the course, I can click on retake to retake the course. I have the curriculum, everything here, and I can go to my achievements. Okay, so since I've completed this particular course, I've passed 100%, I can click on this to view my certificates. Okay, so there's the certificates I've been awarded with. So basically this is Shepherd, and then thank you for watching. Also, you can see we have two different menus. Okay, so this menu is for the students, and then this menu is for the instructor. So on this particular platform, I am an instructor and a student. So I have these, I'm presented with these two menus. If I'm a student, I wouldn't see these. Okay, I only have these accessories. So let's go to all courses. Also, if you don't like the dark theme, you can go to one of our themes here. There's light mode. You want this, and then for accessibility sake, you can click on this, and then you select any of these to help you be able to look at the courses here. Visuals for liking. Okay, so let's say I want to complete it. So there's a course interface, and this is how I can take my course. So you earn badges along the way whilst taking the courses. You can earn badges while taking the courses. So you can write comments, you can take notes, and leave a rating like this on screen. And here are some other menus for students. Right. Basically, this is going to be your dashboard where you can monitor whatever is you are doing. Okay. So this is going to be the gradebook. So yeah. So here I'm subscribed to these courses, and these are the instructors. And these are my completion, and then the score, my progress. So thank you.